Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So many of you have been asking for an updated video to show you some Mech Arena promo codes in 2025, so that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys. I've managed to find some promo codes for Mech Arena that's going to get you tons of free resources, including free credits, free keys, and of course free A coins. This is going to save you a bunch of money. The in-app purchases are pretty expensive, guys. I spent a long time searching for these codes, so make sure you like and subscribe because I do plan on making more Mech Arena promo codes as and when they're needed. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone internet browser, you can do this on iPhone and Android. You of course need an internet connection. As you can see, I've been searching Google and I've managed to find a secret code website that you can use right now for Mech Arena promo codes. So head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this into your mobile phone. Do this on whatever mobile you play Mech Arena on, and head on over to Cold Coupons. Now, essentially, guys, this is a secret codes website. They have codes for hundreds of different games. They have video games and stuff. They have mobile games as well. So use the search bar, search for Mech Arena. This is the promo codes page. There's only 3 verified codes, but all of them are absolutely awesome that you are simply going to love. As I mentioned, you can get keys. You can get 25,000 free A coins, and you can also get free credits. So just select the code that you want. This is a simple promo code, guys, that you can redeem in game, and it's going to supply your account with a corresponding reward. In this case, 25,000 free coins, which is absolutely awesome. Now, because these are limited, you can see there's 650 codes remaining for the coins. You do need to unlock your personal code, guys. So click on this button here. Follow the instructions on this code unlocker. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now, there is a list of tasks that are all completely free. As you can see, these are simple things like installing and opening mobile applications. There's also ones like answering surveys, questions. You just need to basically complete 2 tasks on this page. And it's going to take you a few minutes, but these sponsor Cold Coupons, and that's how they can supply these codes to us for free. So complete 2 of them, and it will redirect you back to this page, and your Mech Arena promo code will be unlocked in this box. You can go ahead, redeem it in-game, but that will give you free A coins, but they do also have other stuff. So go to Cold Coupons and let me know which promo code for Mech Arena you choose, guys. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.